let us do quick recap of pair of linear equations. As in this chapter we are dealing with the linear equations in pairs, that is why it is called pair of linear equations. When the two lines intersect each other, then we say that we have unique solution or consistent solution. If the lines overlap each other, then we say infinitely many solution. Again, in this case also it is consistent. Whenever we are getting solution, we term it as consistent solution. If the lines are parallel like this, means they are not going to meet anywhere, then we will say no solution or inconsistent solution. Solution means where the lines are intersecting, that point is known as solution. As in overlapping, all like each point of both the line is intersecting with each other, that is why we have infinitely many solution, because on a line we have infinite points. And in terms of a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2, if we will see, if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then we are going to get unique solution. If all the three are equal, all the three ratios are equal, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then we say infinitely many solution. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, then we say that no solution. So in case of intersecting line, we will get unique solution at this point. For overlapping, infinitely many solution. For parallel, no solutions, because they are not going to meet anywhere. Now let us do this with the help of example. Like here we will write a1 is 3 here and a2 is 2. b1 is 2, b2 is minus 3, c1 is 5 and c2 is 7. If c1, c2 are on the right hand side, then also we can term it as c1, c2. If they are on left hand side, then also we can write it as c1, c2 only without sign change. But if one is this side or in other equation c is on other side, like if 5 is here on left hand side and 7 is there on right hand side, then we have to make them on one side only. Then we will be writing the sign accordingly. So here a1 by a2 is equal to 3 by 2. And b1 by b2 is equal to minus 2 by 3. So here when we know that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, we should stop here. No need to find the ratio c1, c2. So in this case, we will have unique solution. Or we can say that if they will ask whether if it is consistent or not, we can write consistent solution. These pair of lines are consistent. Now another example. Here a1 is 5, a2 is minus 10. So we will have a1 by a2 as minus 1 by 2. Now we will check for b1 by b2. b1 is minus 3, b2 is 6. So we will have b1 by b2 also minus 1 by 2. Now we will check for c1 by c2 as well, because here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Now we will check which solution is we are going to get, either this or this. So c1 is 11 and c2 is minus 22. So here also we will get minus 1 by 2. So equal to c1 by c2. So infinitely many solution. Infinitely, or you can write infinite solution. Infinitely many solutions we are going to get here, or we can say this also as consistent. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then we are going to get no solution.